feel like I suddenly grew.
Yes, you did.
We're in the Honda, which feels like a Matchbox car.
Let me get it. Hey everybody, can you look? Yeah, are y'all fitting there?
No.
I don't know. Man, you're big right there.
So we're on the north side of the loop right now, and from all my research and advice that I've gotten, the north side was the quiet, more natural side. What I'm seeing is so many buildings that we can't see the lake, but a little glimpse every once in a while. It's an awful lot like my local Gatlinburg in the Smoky Mountains. So we continue to try to find a spot to actually touch the lake. And every road that we turn down is having signs that says no parking, no public beach access. So they're very, I don't know, it's because if it's maybe because we're in a residential neighborhood right now, and I can understand that. But if that continues to be the case around the lake, that'll be disappointing. Hello. $10. All right. We haven't been here before. Anything special we need to know?
Just park straight ahead. All of the parking lots line the beaches all over town.
Okay. And are we able to like wheel our ice chest out to the beach?
Yep,
And
that's
okay.
fine. Yeah, and then receipt on the windshield.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too.
It's pay $10 or pay $195. Which would you rather?
We made it here to, what is it called?
Lake Tahoe?
Sand Harbor at Lake Tahoe. And even though the temperature is 75, the sun is very intense. Right, Jazz?
Oh, it's a Fuji.
First thing I want to do is jump off a rock.
Yeah. First thing he wants to do is send us all to the emergency room. What we discovered as we drove around was that all access to the lake seems to be private in one fashion or another. This is, I think, part of the state park. And there are several places like this where you can get in for $10 a carload. Did y'all see what the water temperature was?
50 degrees.
50. You know how cold 50 is? 50 is going to be, take your breath away the first time. But we paid $10, so you're going to what?
Swim.
Swim.
I've been in pretty cold water before. It rained once in my neighborhood during the winter, and we have this creek in the back of our neighborhood. I went swimming in it. I didn't want to get in for the first like 30 minutes we were in.
50-degree water, folks. 50-degree water. Go ahead, E. Wow, guys, pretty special swimming hole here. Didn't expect you to go in, boys, but you are. Here goes Owen. Come on, Owen. Owen. Owen.
It's not bad?
It's not bad.
Go ahead.
Alright, it's pretty bad.
Burning. Oh, I wish you brought our Crocs.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's hot.
Is it?
Uh-huh.
Run. You guys want to go to the beach?
Gotta cover his toes. This is what we do when we're at the beach. Now run to the water to get that all off, kid.
Cool.
Whatever it is, he's gonna get it.
Your phone's in your mouth. It's a tiny one. Oh, there we go.
Blends in with the sand.
There's the...
Don't hurt yourself.
Well, I cannot recommend coming here enough. This has been a heck of a day. We've been here for maybe 4 hours and maybe a few more. So right now they have about a 1 mile or just under a mile little nature walk. It's a boardwalk going around this little point. Alright, we left the beach, and where are we headed, guys?
Over some bridge.
Not just some bridge, Fanny Bridge. You know how it got its name? All the tourists walk out on the bridge and look over the side so they can see the sights. And everybody that drives by sees nothing but Fanny.
Fannies!
Fanny Bridge. Voice command.
Say a command.
Find place.
Speak the name of a place.
Fanny Bridge.
Searching for Fanny. Would you like to begin navigation?
Yes.
It found it.
Continue on Tahoe Boulevard.
There's supposed to be huge trout here. But here's my question for you, Owen. How many fannies have you seen? None. I haven't seen any fannies. Oh, but I see the trout better. Some pretty big trout sitting right there. I guess this is where Lake Tahoe... Oh, this is where Lake Tahoe dumps into the Truckee River. You gotta go see Fanny Bridge, they said.
It'll be interesting, they said.
It was
a bridge.
Saw not one fanny.
Not impressed.
So we got back from a great day and are recognizing our refrigerator is not cooling as well as it should. We had just gone to Walmart and Costco and we bought a whole bunch of stuff. It was jam-packed. So I think the problem was on us. We put too much stuff in at one time and it was too packed. Air couldn't circulate. And so we just threw out $50 worth of meat, or maybe more. Throwing out all this hamburger. For as cheap as I am, all that meat going bad has got my stomach turned. But I guess it would have turned my stomach if we'd ate it. So I think we have to change our shopping habits. We can't let that thing get over 3/4 full, and preferably keep it around 50% full. Let it get away from us this time.
You want some grape juice?
Yeah, I'll drink it.
I really think this is fine. This one, I smelled it again, and it smells like hamburger.
Okay. Yeah, it smells better this time. I don't know. What would you do? You willing to eat it?
Yeah, it smelled fine to me.
All right. This Weber grill, I connected a, show him this valve that I put on the tank. It goes before the pressure reducer. Problem is, this thing is not getting up to temperature. It took about 20 minutes for it to get to 400, and I don't think it should be. Well, that's it for our stay at the Grand Tetons. Thank you for joining us today. Did I say Grand Tetons? Sorry, that's not where we are. Tahoe! We're at Lake Tahoe. I think I'm going to bed loony. Thank you for joining us at Lake Tahoe.
Lake Tahoe!
Have a nice day. We'll see you next time.